Thank you for your interest in the PolliNation project. If you are interested in participating, keep watching to learn about the resources we have prepared for you and how to collect data on the pollinators checking in your insect hotel. Before receiving your insect hotel, think about where to place it in your yard. The best location is facing southeast, so the hotel receives plenty of morning sunlight. We recommend mounting the hotel on a 4x4 post in your garden, approximately 4 feet off the ground, but you can also mount it to a shed or a different location that meets these criteria. Make sure it is secure so the bee larvae aren't disturbed, as many of these bees and wasp species will not emerge until next spring. Now that you have found a good spot to install your insect hotel, we'll show you how to use our 2 student-made apps to collect data and learn about the guests who are visiting your hotel. To register your hotel with the PolliNation project, you will need to download our student-made app called PolliNation Hotels. You can find it on the iOS and Google Play Store. The home screen shows you your account information. To create an account, you will need to fill out all 5 fields seen here and agree to the terms and conditions. We use your name and email to verify your account, but no one else will be able to see them. After creating an account, a message will be sent to your email asking you to verify your email address. Once you have verified your account, you can now add your hotel to the map. Click on the My Hotels icon on the bottom of the navigation bar. Once there, you can see any hotels you already have registered to your account, as well as the option to add a new one. Tap Add Hotel to register your new insect hotel. The hotel ID is a 6-digit alphanumeric code unique to each insect hotel used in the PolliNation project. You can find this code on the right-hand side of the insect hotel, just underneath the roof overhang. Find your hotel ID code and type it in this box here. You also have the option to nickname your hotel. The hotel privacy setting determines whether you want your hotel location to be visible to other project members and app users. The private option will keep your hotel hidden on the map, but still allow the project staff at the EIC to see its location. Other users will be unable to see your hotel location or the pollinators that have been recorded there thus far. If you want your hotel to be visible to the other app users, select the public option. Hotel habitat refers to what vegetation and environmental conditions your hotel is placed in. Select all of the options that apply, and also note if you use pesticides and/or herbicides. The hotel materials section lets us know what kind of habitat the insect hotel is providing. All the hotels distributed in this project have either drilled blocks of wood or bamboo. Please select all the options that apply to your insect hotel. The nearby vegetation option is similar to hotel habitat, but extends to what else is in the general vicinity. Please note that ornamentals typically refer to plants not native to the area. Once you have filled out these boxes, you can then mark the location of your hotel. If you selected the private option from before, only project staff from the EIC will be able to see its location. We also ask that you take a photo of your insect hotel and upload it after your installation. Once you have filled out all of these different areas, you can then hit the Submit button and your hotel will be added to the map. Here's an example of a hotel that the EIC currently runs. If you go to the map, you can also see what other locations have been marked with insect hotels. This one is currently installed at the EIC, and if you tap on it, you can see the hotel information that has been logged by the user. You can also use the map to add an observation to any public hotel you see. Observations are meant to record the absence or presence of nesting material sealing the holes in the insect hotel. For example, you might see a hole that has been plugged with mud, resin, grass, or more. If you find an insect hotel while out and about, check and see if there is a 6-digit alphanumeric code on the right-hand side. If there is, see if it is on our map. Insect hotels that appear on the map are open to public observations, and you can submit a record for it. First, double-check and make sure the ID number on the insect hotel in front of you matches the ID numbers shown on the map. If they do, take a few photos of the front of the insect hotel. We encourage you to zoom in and focus on the different types of nesting material you see present. After taking these photos, you can submit your observation. The current date will automatically be recorded. Next, answer if you see any holes that are filled or not. If you answer yes, you then select a description of the visible material sealing the holes. In this case, I saw mud, resin, and chewed leaves. Hotel habitat refers to what is in the immediate area around the hotel you are adding the record to, and nearby vegetation refers to what is in the general vicinity. In this example, Hex currently stands in our rain garden, with bare soil and shrubs present. There are also wildflowers, sedges, turf grass, shrubs, evergreen and deciduous trees present in the general area. After selecting all the options that apply, you can add up to 6 images that go with your observation before submitting your record. You can add records to any public hotels on the map that you visit, but keep in mind that the date defaults to the time you submit the record and cannot be changed. Thus, it is best to submit your record when you are physically in front of the insect hotel. The About page has information on the threats facing our pollinators and also goes into detail about the goals of our project. The Statistics page is a neat feature that shows the real-time data collected from the project. Here, you can see the collective data from all insect hotels, public and private, that are participating in the PolliNation project. You can select up to 5 pollinators you are interested in seeing the data from. And it will show you their occurrences and how many have been seen. The pie chart on the bottom shows the 12 most commonly observed pollinators in this project, including what percentage of these observations each one makes up. Check back as the season continues to see what pollinators have been spotted each month. Thank you for wanting to learn about and provide for our native nesting bees and wasps. If you have any questions or would like to provide feedback on the 2 apps we've created, please reach out to us at our project email below. If you know someone who would be interested in participating or who might just want a unique garden feature with an ecological purpose, you can find more information on our project website, including how to build your very own insect hotel.